Captain's bell. All right, you guys, Okay, guys, so we're children of God, right? And one of the things that we like to do is we like to use blocks to build. We grow up using building blocks. So blocks are pretty important to us. We have the Great Pyramid here. That is the greatest block construction that we have ever seen upon the face of the earth. And it is from beginning. Okay, so this was created here because it is a template. Okay, there's lots of information found in the Great Pyramid. Just like the zodiac here. This is a template as well. Lots of information found in this. Just like the cube of Saturn. Okay, and this is the cube of Saturn. And then this is the Rubik's Cube. And this is the dice. And they're all the same. And we're on Paradise Earth. So when you lose a die, you still have your original because you're an original creator. Okay, that's the rule of Abba. Okay, the alpha, we're the alphas in the beta. We have both dice where we're here. Okay, and this is 12. 6 and 6 is 12. Okay, 12 for the zodiac. Likewise, you have your snake eyes. Okay, which is the double one, snake eyes. We've got the snake eyes and we've got our bird brain, right? Okay, so we're the alpha. This is the A for the angel and the split worlds. It's the story of Gemini. Okay, this is not Gemini. Here it is over here. Gemini, right here. The story of Gemini, the splitting, okay, between the two worlds, the mortal and the immortal. And I've showed before on the zodiac web how it's pertaining. You see the webbing on this? It's pertaining to the split A as well on the 8-spoke wheel. We get the 8-spoke wheel when we do our addition and multiplication. This is concerning your life path when it comes to astrology. Okay, and this symbol over here, this is revealing the capstone, the cross, the cube, and the circle. And we put these together in our last video. And you're the capstone. Okay, you're the all-seeing eye at the center. Okay, now the Great Pyramid, it being a template, it's going to be a template for the ladder as well. And we've got our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 for king. So the deck of cards is going to come in hand. And we're captains of the stars. And so we have to swab the deck. And you see this lady on here? Virgo. Okay. These are astral related pieces of information. Okay. This is your moon cycle. This is pertaining to your moon, your 364 moon. Okay. 13 and 13. 28. Split houses. These are pertaining to the sun. 12 and 12. Okay, so we got the Jack. Jack is 6 because he's got 6 eyes. And Jack's the Joker, and you're the Jack in the box. And then we've got 7 for the king, and we've got 8 for the queen. And this is where the octopus comes in again, Octomom. This is the Queen's Gate. Okay, so the king is at the top for the ladder. Okay, and also ace. 135 ace is in the deck. 135 ace is on the die. 135 ace is on the ladder when you build this construction to find the portal gate of 88. That is the purple window. Okay, this is showing you how we get here in the pyramid. So it counts as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 and 13. Okay, now I've showed you before how it's the 12 disciples plus the 1 sun. That equals 13. Okay, and then on this side, you've got the moon. It goes up this way and comes down this way. And it goes up this way and comes down this way. And it creates the split A. Once again, this is this. Okay, so 13 on this side as well for the moon. And then this is the zodiac web. Okay, and I've connected the queen with 8, right? And I've connected Saturn for the say 10. So you've got your say 8, 10. You've got your say 10. And you have your say 8, 10. Okay, that's pertaining to the zodiac web. Okay, because you've got Saturn. He's the father. He's the captain. That's why we ring the captain's bell. Okay, and the captain is you. You're the captain of your vessel, learning how to sail the seas that are the stars. And you can use this with the map of the heavens. Okay, and see how things work here. This is how things work here, you guys. I'm trying to connect lots of stuff for you. Okay, and I've shown you before how the 10 becomes the 1, becomes the 1. That is the 34. That becomes the Neo. That is the 34. That becomes the 34. And it can also become the 43. 7 and 7. Okay, this is important. 7 and 7 is important because 77 equals Christ. Power, energy. Okay, you're the Christ, you're the captain. Okay, now Ember is also 43. Okay, and cold is 34. Hot is 43. And that also makes the 77. Okay, and then this is where your red shift, blue shift comes into play concerning Neo with the red pill or the blue pill. Okay, so I've shown the ace over here with the 1, 3, 5, and that's literally what it is. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 at the top. 7 is the capstone. That's why Jesus was called the king. Okay, and you're Jesus. And you get your crown when you're birthed here. Okay, because we're the Abba. Okay, we're the captain and we're the Abba. And when you're birthed, you receive your crown at birth. Okay, because you have entered into the Queen's Gate. You've entered through the Queen's Gate and you are the king. You are the capstone. You are the captain of the net web. It is you, the Christ.